right, Saturday morning update. We got 2 soccer games this morning. I'm on my way back from the transfer station right now. It's about 8:15. So, just got all that load that I got out of the garage, backyard, taking it to the transfer station, going to watch the 2 games. My brother wants to play golf, but part of me thinks I should probably work on the golf course rather than play on it, but who knows. All right, we've made it. We're at the soccer fields. Let's go watch some ball.
Okay, you can go grab him his gift. I'll take the point now. Come on, Mike. Ooh, good save.
Stop him! Atta girl! Let's go! Get it down!
Yeah, our team's mostly girls, but they're all really good. Here we go, this girl right here. Come on now. Oh yeah. Oh, she just missed it.
Oh, get it in there!
Stop it, Eli. Turn it around.
Stop it!
Turn it around, Eli. Good job.
Yes, we can take it! Let's go!
White.
Nice try!
I wanted
Third quarter's over. 2-1. Blue team.
Oh, you are? This summer or after?
These girls on our team are
Right now, are you?
way better hustlers than Michael and Eli.
I'm a shoe.
2-1. Good guys.
Cam, where's your second ball at, then?
Game 1 in the books. Eli's team wins 2-1. They're 2-0 on the season. Mainly compiled. I don't even know what the hell word I'm trying to say. His team is mainly all girls. I think there's only 3 boys and 6 girls. And I tell you what, those girls on his team are dogs. Last game, one of them had like 4 goals and the other one had 3. This game was a lot closer. It was 2-1, and both goals were scored by the girls. So we got a couple dogs on our team for girls. Next game up is Cameron's at 10:30.
Thank you, Cam. Is Bo on his team? No.
I just need to go to Leslie and get that stuff because Kato wanted his tops and not his cake or his but he what do you call it? Leslie said
Whistle.
Someone touch it? Hands, maybe? That was Weston. Kick it, big kick.
Ball it up, Oakland! Ball it up!
It's ball game 2-1. Bad guys. I think it was only 3, but that's all right. We're all out of here. That was only 3 quarters, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Game over, Kim. How'd it go?
we did very good.
2-1. One goal was from your own teammate, scored on his own though, right? Yeah, that's funny.
Good. So it's basically 2-1.
So you guys won 2-1.
Yeah, so we won.
Brought a birthday present for a friend, but he wasn't here. All right, soccer's done. Now what?
Now I'm taking a nap.
Midday update. Soccer games are finished. Lunch is done. Tempted to lay on the couch and just be lazy and watch the Masters and maybe take a nap, but my brother just kept pestering me about playing golf, so we're going out to play golf. And by the way, I'm glad that he pestered me because I'd much rather be getting up and going and playing golf than laying on the couch taking a nap. So I think I'm about to go shoot a personal best, which I actually did a couple weeks ago at a much easier course. I can't do that here. But I shot a 39 on a 36 on 9, 3 over. And I started with a double bogey on the first hole, so went +1 on 8 holes, which is just, that's unheard of for me. I'm like honestly, probably like an 18, 19, 20. I think my app says like 21 or 22 right now. But I was playing in a tournament last year for some money, and we were like, not sandbagging, but I was like not moving limbs, not fluffing your ball, like putting everything out, which I know some people are going to laugh, like, well, no shit, isn't that what you're supposed to do? But miss me with that shit. I fucking take gimmies all the time. So I usually shoot, or I would say like an average would be like 15, 16, but it feels a lot closer to like a bogey every hole with the occasional lucky par. So to shoot 3 over was just fucking having a day. Now, the country club where I work is so much harder than this course that I shot that 3 over at. I would be happy with like a 7, 8 over probably. Yeah. I mean, I'd be happy with whatever. I don't really care. It doesn't make a difference, but a good day, 5 to 8 over on 9 for me. So let's go see what happens. All right, we're about 2 holes in. This is hole 3 here. Dogleg left, par 4. Don't ask me the yardage. Doesn't matter to me anyway. Driver, some sort of club in. Probably missed that shot. Let's assume I did though. 3 putts from there. So, 350 you're saying? Yeah. 2 holes in, 2 double bogeys. Multiple 3 putts. All right, checking back in. We picked up a straggler back here. I don't know where he's at. There he is. Top of me. Scooter down the fairway. But yep, 5 holes in, and went double, single, double. Well, round's over. Results are in. Here they are. $13 over, 48. We had some putting issues today. Our approach was great. How disappointing. We were approaching like every approach shot was hitting on the green. Problem was, it might have been the second or third shot by then, or there might have been 3 or 4 from there. So whatever. It's golf, right? Plus 13. Hit some bombs. Hit some good shots. Obviously hit a lot of bad ones, but that's the end of that. So about 5 o'clock now. I think we're gonna go home, edit some videos, a few beers, and call it a day. Well, we'll check in. Just went to go turn the golf cart in and was bombarded by people saying how awesome the course is looking, how much fun they're having. Now, I've gotten quite a few complaints about the pin locations this week. They're a little tough. Couple hills, couple close to the collars. I mean, obviously not on the collar, 10, 11, 12 feet off the collar, but they're not center. They're not center. They're kind of tough, but lots of great feedback. And right now, this is my first time playing the course, and I gotta say, I was impressed the whole way around. Damien absolutely killed those fairways and greens. He did them both on yesterday. So, big hats off to Damien. He did his thing on that. Devon had those bunkers looking phenomenal. Willie had his T's and collars looking great. It was great. I shot like absolute shit, but nobody's gonna save that, I promise you. So that was pretty sweet. Went into the club and a lot of good feedback in there, and is super busy in there right now. Almost the whole entire bar is full, and several people came up and said, "Hey man, this place is looking awesome." So it's great to hear. That's what we want. We want to give the people what they deserve. All right, that's the end of the day. It's about 6:45. Couple soccer games. One win, one loss. Came home, thought we were about to be lazy and take a nap and watch the Masters and lay around and just do jack shit. And that didn't happen. We ended up going golfing, playing 9 holes. Course looked gorgeous. Lots of great feedback. It's the first time I've played it all year, and it was a ton of fun. So I shot like shit too, by the way. So when you shoot 13 over on 9 and have fun, it's a good time. Fuck it. If you suck at golf, I'll put it like this: if you're no better than a 7 handicap, you better just go out there and just have no expectation and just have fun and enjoy the ride. If you go out there and try to put expectations on yourself and get pissed off you don't score this or pissed off you don't score that, golf sucks. But when you go out there and just enjoy the nature, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the beauty, enjoy the company you're with, swing the clubs, be happy for the great shots, be hopeful for the good putts, try your best to hit a good drive or two. Understand there's going to be some dog shitters. You're going to be in the woods. You're going to have some shots that were good that end up like shit. And just go there and have a good time. That's, to me, that's what golf's about. And that's what we accomplished today. We shot 13 over, which is a 48 on 35, which is a fucking horrible score. I told my brother earlier, like a 50 is a club breaker day, which is totally against what I just said. But anybody who knows me knows that I don't always live by that fucking peace and harmony. I'm pretty much a rager. I aspire to be somebody who can always just enjoy those things that I talked about, but no, I rage a lot. But not today. I enjoyed the 48. I had a good time. It's nowhere near the 38 that we shot at Preston, but it's all the same. I didn't get no further in life by shooting a 48 or a 38, so enjoy it either way. That's it for Saturday. I had a great day today. Got a few pieces of work done. Played a little bit. About to go in. We're going to edit the video. Got a couple quotes to measure and follow up on.